How to charge Amazfit Bip 6. The first step is connecting to the charging base. So take the charging base that came with your watch and connect it to a USB power source using a USB-C cable. The Bip 6 comes with a charging base that can connect via USB-C as showcased here. Now the next step you're going to be taking is to attach the watch to the back of the charging base. So the magnetic charger will align with the metal in the charging contacts on the back of the watch. So make sure they are aligned, and then you can confirm charging. When charging starts, the watch will display a indicator and battery progress. The BIP 6 screen shows charging progress once properly connected. And all you need to do is just simply wait for a full charge. A full charge typically takes between 1 hour 5 minutes to 2 hours 50 minutes. Amazfit states that charging from empty to full usually takes approximately 1 hour 5 minutes to 2 hours 5 minutes. All right, with this piece of info, you can just begin charging and your device will be fully charged. All right, guys.